Watch the ride.
Hey everybody. So, do you remember a little while ago I mentioned a washing machine? Yeah, this is our old broken washing machine. Broken in the sense that the bearings have gone. I did ask what I should put in it, but I've decided that the answer, and the only answer, is a brick when it's spinning at full speed. So the first thing I need to do is see if it spins still. There is actually a practical reason for doing this, and that is we need to get rid of this thing, and it's far less space when you take the thing apart and get the concrete out and, you know, chuck the concrete bricks under your hedge. Oh, the water pipe's still in there. That might unbalance things a little bit. Okay, we have reached the point that the force of rotation has created an outward force of more than 9.81 meters per second, meaning it's currently obtaining more than 1 G and sticking to the outside. By the way, it doesn't matter if you're in space or not, G still exists because it's a unit of acceleration and not gravity. Look how smoothly it's running. Now it has nothing inside it. Okay, it's picking up speed. I need to learn what pattern it does. I think it does about 3 gears. It like gets faster and faster, and suddenly it's just like VTEC kicked in, yo. This is only mildly intimidating, the idea that I have to shove something heavy in this in a minute. Okay, so we know it works. Now I've got to somehow fool it to let me keep the door open. Now I've got to wait for the door lock to come off. If you wonder why door locks stay on when the power goes off, as I understand it, they're bimetallic strips, which means 2 pieces of metal that as they heat up, they bend out, and it has to cool down before it goes back down again. This is unplugged, by the way. I just need to try and work out how this door lock actually works. Oh. Okay, that's the retainer ring. The gasket, so I should now be able to get round the corner on this switch. Oh, it was there, it just fell in. It's quite possible that I could actually just cut 2 of these wires and bridge them and it would do the same job, but as I don't know what does what, I'd rather do it this way. Or we might have done it. Hang on, let's try spins. What's that, 15? Oh yes, we're in. Okay, so I've drilled a hole so I can get a zip tie through and keep this latch back, and then that's going to all go back inside. Is that it? That'll be a yes. Perfect. All I need to do now is find something suitable to be thrown in. I'm not sure what that is yet. They say go big or go home. Well, I need to make sure it fits. Okay. Just got to trim it down a bit. I think that might be over the weight capacity. Okay. It's going to be dodgy, I can tell that much. Okay, I have a second camera recording. I think I'm ready. There is nothing more than to just do this. Actually, no, wait, there is. Okay, well, while we're waiting for this to spin up. Hello, if you don't know me, I'm Spicy110. I'm a YouTuber and a scrap metal artist. If you check out the links in the description, you can see all the things I do. I've got lots of different social medias and stuff, and there are ways to support my channel down there, as well as visiting my store where I make things out of old motorcycle parts and stuff. Probably not bits out of this. This is going to be a bit spent. Being the person that has to throw the brick in there, this whirring, this building whirring, is like an air raid siren of fear. Oh God. Yeah, sorry. I don't believe that. Ew. How is it still alive? We're going to try it again with a smaller brick, hoping that the increased speed will increase the inertial mass. These might be important. Another way they're just like stuck. It still sounds peachy. Does anyone need a washing machine? Slight cosmetic damage. Possible internal damage too. This can't keep happening. The moment it passes the point where the inertia overcomes the gravity, it stops. And any second now it's just gonna... We may have done some irreparable damage. Okay, well, this is the last one. If it survives this, what more can I do? Here we go. It's washing a brick. This thing is indestructible. This was not the outcome I was expecting. Oh well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and the other content on the channel, please consider following the links in the description to show your support.